Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is Care Hardcover book Mockup. These files for Photoshop latest version and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and write Sheri SK and buy now for a lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so double click. You see here in layer area, here is smart object work process. Here is a background, unlock color, and here is a box. Okay, and here is work process. Okay, smart object, replace your own design. For example, here is a this line and main thing is here. Open any photo, for example, use this one, drag there, enter Ctrl S, and you see our book is ready. You can write anything, reply anything. Now here is 2 pages open, extract. Wow, one. Okay, you can edit one by one. Now same thing is here. Oh sorry, locked, unlocked. Select any one color. Okay, depend your own choice. I hope these mockup are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.